But, beloved, everyone say, I am God's beloved. We are persuaded. Are you persuaded today? See, this is not about doubt. This is not about uncertainty. This is about being persuaded. Abraham was persuaded that what God has promised, he was able also to perform. Paul says in Romans 14, let every man be fully persuaded in his own mind. In Philippians chapter 1, he says that I am persuaded. He said that my persuasion is complete. He says in 2 Timothy chapter 1 that I'm persuaded that what God started in you, Timothy, that was in your mother, your grandmother, and is also in you, he's persuaded. To be persuaded means to have a made-up mind. That's what to be persuaded means. When you're in a fight, there's a point, there's a threshold you cross where you make up your mind. At first, you're just kind of going back and forth. I don't know, well, maybe. And then you say, you know what? I will get my money. I don't care how long it takes. God has heard me. I'm getting up. I'm rising up in Jesus' name. You are persuaded. He told Timothy, he said, I'm persuaded that God is able to keep what I have committed unto him against that day. Yeah. I made up my mind. I will get my reward for the Philippines, for Singapore, for Malaysia, for China. But, beloved, we are persuaded better things of you and things that accompany salvation. What we're doing now, Brother Felix, is we're talking about some of the things that accompany salvation. I know I'm saved, but there's some other things that have come with my salvation that I want to explore. I want to exploit. I want to maximize, optimize.